Hello coffee lovers! Today I'm gonna show you my way how I'm making flat white coffee. So let's start. All what you need is nice quality espresso coffee. I'm using Lavazza Crema e Gusto. The foam is awesome. Insert 16 grams of coffee into the basket. Take the tamper and tamp down nicely and firmly. Then brew immediately. You can see the espresso is dropping now and its dark rich color and of course very nice foam. Then pour the espresso into the glass cup. I keep the cup on the top of the machine so the cup will be warm, and when the espresso is delivered into the cup it won't kill the delicious aroma contained in the crema. Fill the milk jug with 150 ml of fresh, really cold milk and steam until you get silky texture without bubbles. Use your hand to judge the temperature of the milk, so when it's slightly too hot to touch, the milk is ready, and you have really beautiful texture milk. And all I'm going to do now is pour that into the cup with the espresso. Slowly introduce the milk, integrating it with the espresso. Just try to create blank canvas. And now, as you can see, guys, I have the perfect white flat coffee. Thank you for watching my video.